Guys, you won't believe what this VTuber said to get them banned off Twitch. This was tweeted out by Artsy Weeby on Twitter. They wrote, "At Twitch support, I've been indefinitely suspended due to a mistake on your behalf. You denied my appeal as well. I'm heartbroken. 2 years down the drain because of a mistake you made." I reread the suspension and saw that it was due to chat messages. Looking at the chat messages that I assumed this is from, I wanted to give context. In no way was I threatening this chatter. The time of mentioning, quote, smacking with my hammer, end quote, I was referring to the ban hammer, since they had told me to commit self-exit twice and threatened to severely hurt me. Since I'm a mod in the stream, I explained to the streamer what they had said to me as to why they got banned, in turn causing me to paraphrase and repeat what they had said. In this Google Drive, I have video proof of what they had said, and me in turn repeating what they said purely as a cause for the ban. I would never ever threaten somebody in that manner, especially with a topic as delicate as self-exiting. Please look at the chat on screen over the actual chat logs, as with this suspension, my chats were removed and I had timed out the users so their messages are deleted as well. They attached 2 screenshots of what Twitch had emailed them, with Twitch writing, "Hello RCWeeby, your account was recently suspended for serious violent threats. A member of our team has reviewed your appeal, and after taking a look into the details of your case, we have determined your account will remain suspended due to your violation of community guidelines. Note, attempting to evade restrictions placed on your account may result in additional penalties, up to and including indefinite suspension." The first screenshot we read actually came second. So this was the first email that was sent over to Artsy, and it reads, "Hello Artsy, Twitch's community to keep your community safe, blah, 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 blah." The reason they got banned was written as serious violent threats, and where the violation occurred is listed as in public or private chat messages, and the suspension is indefinite. Artsy must have said something really vile, right? In order for Twitch to slap them with an indefinite suspension with absolutely no warnings, nothing, and to deny the review. It must have been really bad, Twitch, right? Note the sarcasm. As proof, Artsy had attached receipts of a Google Drive with the video footage of what had happened. And Artsy writes, "Here's the Google Drive with the video of the occurrence. Please, like I said, refer to the chat on the left on the actual stream, as both mine and said users' chats were deleted by you, Twitch." So this was the clip that was linked in the Google Drive. And this VTuber on screen is the VTuber by the name of Ashira Namato. To give you some context, what Artsy was referring to by "don't look at this chat, look at this chat," okay? This is the chat on Twitch, the chat on the right-hand side. And what happens is if you get timed out, your messages get deleted, they will not show on the Twitch VOD chat. If you get banned, your messages will not show on the Twitch VOD chat. Even if you get banned, somebody has chatbot enabled on their stream, those messages get burned into the video and the chat would actually show the messages even if it got banned. So as we can see here, the left-hand side, the one above Ash's head, is what Artsy is saying we should refer to. So keep an eye on this person who goes by just a fellow Ashira enjoyer. Artie, why are you so down bad? This is sped up, so that's why it's going a little fast. Artsy is just, typing some wholesome stuff. Fellow Ashira enjoyer says, "Why is Artsy so down bad?" in all caps this time. I do want you to note as well. I just want you to note as well, Artsy is both a mod and a founder badge holder in Ash's stream. What a founder badge is, if you didn't know, is that you were one of the first 10 people to subscribe to said streamer. That means you get a founder's badge. So this means that Artsy has been in Ash's community since Ash has been monetized on Twitch, which I'm guessing means they're pretty close. And I'm assuming so because they do collabs together as well. 2 friends joking amongst each other. Artsy is being really funny in chat, typing some funny wholesome messages. And then we have here just a fellow Ashira enjoyer writing Artsy ... KYS. And we all know what that means. And then if it were my stream, I would have insta-banned them for that message. But Artsy was being nice, let it slide. Just a fellow Ashira enjoyer types some other random message about an intruder looking like a cat. And then just a fellow Ashira enjoyer repeats their message, even with more intention, writing Artsy KYS now. That's not great. And then Artsy writes, "At just a fellow Ashira enjoyer, I will smack you with my hammer." Class, let's convene, okay? In this context, as you see here, seeing that Artsy has a mod badge next to their name that allows them to ban streamers out of their stream, and knowing the context that in Twitch, there is a joke of the Twitch ban hammer. It is a known Twitch lingo. It is a joke. People have ban hammer emotes, right? People always say, "I will hit you with the ban hammer." So class, is Artsy trying to threaten just a Ashira enjoyer by threatening that they will go to their house and hit them with a literal hammer? Is Artsy saying, "I will ban you out of Ashira's stream for your inappropriate messages"? All right, class, let's see what the common sense answer is, okay? If you answer 2, you're correct. And then just a fellow Ashira enjoyer follows up with, "I will hit you with my shotgun." All right, class, let's reconvene, okay? Just a fellow insurance enjoyer mean I will genuinely go to your house with a Glock? Or that's not a shotgun, but you know, a shotgun? Or do they mean something joking and sarcasm? Let's use some context. Prior to this message, they had already told Artsy to KYS twice. This isn't looking too great anymore. I'm just saying, whether it's true or not, whether they mean it or not, we will never know. Might be a joke, but this joke is no longer funny. Actually, this joke was never funny. Telling people to KYS is not a funny joke, in my opinion. People always call me sensitive. In my opinion, your humor sucks if that's the only humor you have to go off of, okay? If you are truly a funny person, you can tell better jokes than that, if that is even a joke at all. So I digress. So then all their messages get yeeted out because they got banned by Artsy. And then we have Just Skittles saying, yikes, what did I just come back to? They are also a mod. So somebody in chat is literally asking, hey, yo, what happened? Response to that, Artsy writes, he told me to KMS and that he was going to shoot me. And it was a 30-second ban. And guys, that was the message. Allegedly landed Artsy with an indefinite suspension, aka basically a permaban on Twitch. Let's use our brain cells, okay? Is this an offense that is warrant of a permaban? Is this an offense that is warrant of even a ban at all? Also no, in my opinion, I am not Twitch. I don't make the rules here as much as I wish I could, right? Then I would lift the ban. This is the most asinine thing to ban somebody off of Twitch for, okay? The whole purpose of a ban, a platform ban, is to keep your platform safe by removing people that are harmful to your platform that will perpetrate an unsafe environment. Let's take a look at Artsy, okay? All right, guys, look, I don't know Artsy personally. I do not know Artsy. Does this seem like somebody that is going to be a threat to Twitch's safety? Is Artsy, after somebody in chat told them to KYS twice and threatened to shoot them with a shotgun, and when somebody was like, oh, what happened? Artsy was like, he said that he was going to KMS and shoot me with a shotgun. What Twitch says is serious and violent threats. I don't know what you're on right now, a lot of times. And again, let me remind you, okay? Let me remind you. Artsy got banned for serious and violent threats. This isn't even a threat. Artsy says he told me to KMS and that he was going to shoot me. That is not a threat. That is Artsy just stating what happened. If you're referring to the comment about the hammer, there's only two ways that could go about, okay? Whichever rep on Twitch does not know Twitch culture enough to not even know the most basic intro level joke of a ban hammer, and they ban Artsy for that, which then I would have to question, you're not fairly delivering bans here. Or two, they took Artsy's statement literally, stating, I will hit you with my hammer. It is a ban hammer. They took it literally, did not look at any other context, and banned Artsy for that. And in both scenarios, that's not looking great for you, Twitch, my opinion. And other people agree as well. Sore Pride adds, commenting in hopes that this gets pushed out more, they gotta review this. Wheelie adds, this is totally unfair. I hope Twitch can realize their mistake and bring you back soon. Ace Adventure says, I am so sorry this happened to you, Artsy. It seems really unfair, but I hope things get cleared up soon. Rakudo says, holy F, this is so unfair. I hope they fix it soon. At Twitch support, please take a look at this and review it. And the whole comment section is flooded with people saying they're so sorry and that they really hope this can get reviewed or resolved. Because speaking of reviews, let me remind you, Twitch actually already reviewed. Artsy appealed it, and Twitch said, we looked into the details and we've determined that your account will remain suspended. Something tells me they didn't look into the details. So on August 23rd, which was 2 days ago as of filming, Artsy adds, I know it's only been a few days, but I really want to say again, thank you guys for all the support. It's honestly been really hard dealing with this ban. It came right after my birthday stream and right around the time when so many big moments are happening for my friends that I can't actually even be there and play with them and support them without actually breaking TOS. At Twitch support, please give me my account back. You falsely banned me and had a bot deny my appeal. This is so wrong on so many levels. Please look into this. On August 25th, 11 hours ago, Artsy adds, I just want to make another post about this. As of now, there is no update from Twitch or any inkling that Twitch support has seen this at all. I don't want this post to get lost as it's very important to me and absolutely astonishing to me that I'm still banned for something that I did not do. I really hope Twitch decided to look over this. Being restricted so heavily under false allegations is doing a number on my mental. Once again, though, thank you all for being so kind. I truly don't know what I did to deserve all the kind words from all of you, but you guys make me feel so hopeful that this can be solved soon. You know what? I'm just gonna point out some ironies to you guys real quick, because let's just laugh at Twitch. Look, I like laughing at Twitch, man, because Twitch does some dumb stuff like this. Look at this tweet that Twitch support put out on August 12th. So this was about 2 weeks ago. We're rolling out an experimental experimental prompt powered by machine learning that encourages users to pause before sending chat messages that are potentially harmful. Our goal with this experiment is to help decrease harassment and facilitate more positive interactions on Twitch. We'll be running the experiment over the next few weeks. Stay tuned for more updates in this area soon. Don't get me wrong, this is a great feature to add on Twitch. Make sure to verify that their message that they are sending is safe. But y'all don't have a system to double check your bans on your streamers, mainly VTubers. Your streamers are actually legitimate bans, legitimate perma bans, before you just nuke them off your platform and affect the livelihood of streamers. Now, don't get me wrong. From a platform perspective, I understand also why Twitch does this, right? Better safe than sorry. So that's the way Twitch operates, and that's how they have operated with their bans. They would rather be safe and accidentally ban a good person than accidentally let a bad person slip through on their platform with bans. From my understanding, why they often are so heavy-handed with the bans they hand out. Now, I also do want to point out that they do seem to really unfairly ban VTubers. We have seen time and time again, let me point out another hypocrisy. There was a story I covered on TikTok. I never made a YouTube video about it. About a girl who went on Twitch, and she and her boyfriend were, if you guys play Sims, they were doing the woohoo live on stream. NSFW content, not appropriate at all to have on Twitch. Guess what she got as a ban, guys? Just guess. Leave it in the comment section below. Okay, I will give you 5 seconds in the comment section. Guess how long she got banned. Correct me if I'm wrong, but from my understanding, if I remember correctly, her ban was 7 days long. A 7-day ban for intimate coupling with the attempts to make a child live on Twitch. And then we have Artsy, who was making a joke in the Twitch culture of what a ban hammer is. And also, because somebody asked, was like, yeah, this is why he got banned, because he said this and that. I just want to point that out, Twitch. You know, do with that information what you will, guys, but Twitch is looking a little bit like a hypocrite to me, guys. I'm just saying. So at the end of all of this, okay, I am extremely sorry to Artsy for this happening. Do not harass anybody, even if it's Twitch, right? You can, if you want to help, you can go under Artsy's post, maybe the OG one, right? So, because it does have more traction, you can at Twitch support and try to get their attention on this happening. Because with a lot of voices, if we do speak up, then we can make an impact and actually make our voices heard by larger platforms. And this is the case where this VTuber Artsy Weeby was literally minding their own business, existing on Twitch, got hit with the hardest punishment on the platform possible. I'm not even gonna say infraction, because in my opinion, what Artsy said is not even worth a ban, because it's not bad. It's nothing wrong was said by Artsy whatsoever. But they got absolutely blasted off the platform by Twitch because they have a horrendous system for vetting as to whether their bans are legitimate or not. So anyways, this is extremely unfair. I am so sorry to Artsy. Please send them some love and some support, guys, and I really hope they can get their account reinstated soon. I hope you guys like this video, like and subscribe, and again, you know, at Twitch support under their post. And don't forget to check me out on Twitch. I do stream 3 days a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, Saturdays at 7 p.m. PST, 6 p.m. PST. I hope to catch you guys there or in another one of my videos. Peace.